Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking at the Mi Band 6 and the Huawei Band 6 Pro. So definitely the Mi Band 6 is one of my favorite fitness bands. It has definitely been one of the best ones that I've used and the one that I have continued to use over a long period of time. There are definitely some things with the Mi Band 6 that I really do not like for example not having the all-day blood oxygen monitor or the all-day heart monitor. This is definitely something that I don't like, and there comes in the Huawei Band 6 Pro. So the Huawei Band 6 Pro is a device that comes with all of these things, and it's definitely something that I really like. Having the ability to have a blood oxygen monitor that goes all day without you having to click it. Also with the introduction of the body temperature, that's definitely a sell for me. It's definitely something that's really good. So going through the Huawei Band 6 more in depth, I discovered that there are some things I missed in my earlier videos. For example, you have in the settings, you have the ability to include the AI mode. You also have the ability to include a pin. So as we all know, the pin is to lock your device, so you are the only one who has access to your band. Something like the Mi Band 6 or the Huawei Band 6 or the Honor Band 6 is that anyone that picks it up can just wear it and be able to use it. But now with the Huawei Band 6 Pro, you are able to lock it with a pin. So even if, for example, someone steals your fitness band or your fitness band goes missing, it's not going to be easy for anyone to simply just use it. So that's definitely something that I really enjoy about the Huawei Band 6 Pro. So looking at the both of them, in terms of similarity, they are both quite different. Their build qualities are different and their looks are different as well. For me, the Huawei Band 6 Pro has a very beautiful design compared to that of the Mi Band 6. The design of the Huawei Band 6 Pro is definitely a winner. But that said, I do like the aspect ratio of the Mi Band 6. The aspect ratio is definitely something that, for me, fits more of a fitness band than of the Huawei Band 6 Pro. The Huawei Band 6 Pro for me is more or less like an hybrid between a smartwatch and a fitness band. So I don't really like it that much when it comes to a fitness band because I do have the Apple Watch Series 6. So I don't necessarily like having something big and bulky in my hands all the time. So it's definitely something that you should look out for if you're deciding to pick any of the both of them. So when it comes to the workout modes, both of them do have incredible workout modes. You can add a lot of workout modes in the both of them, and they are definitely quite useful over the long run. So something that is also very good with these two devices is the heart rate monitoring system and the blood oxygen monitoring system. Like I said, the heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring system for the Huawei Band 6 is all day, is 24 hours, all day, all week. It's something that's really amazing and something that I wish that Mi Band 6 would definitely introduce over a short period of time. But for now, the Mi Band 6 have not introduced that feature, so that's actually a sad one. So for both of them, changing the watch face is pretty simple. All you need to do is go back to the main menu, you hold down, and you can change the watch face pretty easily with the both of them. So once you swipe to the side, you get basically all the applications that are in the device. So that's basically it for the two devices. The both of them do have some similarities, but they do have an overall difference. The Huawei Band 6 Pro is more similar to the Huawei Band 6 and the Honor Band 6 than it is to the Mi Band 6. But definitely in terms of recommendation, we have to give the Huawei Band 6 Pro this one, because the Huawei Band 6 Pro has definitely more features that will eventually be useful, and with this amazing design, and everything about it is just simply amazing. So definitely, if you do not have a fitness band yet, I would recommend you get the Huawei Band 6 Pro. But if you do have a fitness band, then I would just recommend, probably if it's one of the latest one like the Mi Band 6 or the Huawei Band 6, I would definitely recommend that you stick with the fitness band that you have now. But if you want to get a new one, you're just getting into the fitness band game, then the Huawei Band 6 Pro is definitely something that you should consider. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.